All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol ACRL, currently traded at 26 cents. The only thing that I think that this stock is lacking is volume. It just seems like some selling here and some light volume, rather. The average volume for the last 20 days, 42,000 shares traded. So far today, 10,000 of those shares traded. You guys are going to have a big support at 24 cents. You're going to have your resistance at 26, where you see that currently right now. Followed up by the 27.94. 10-day simple moving average, the 20-day simple moving average at 31, followed up by the 33.64, which is going to be a 30-day simple moving average. Here is what you're going to be looking at. Coming off this bottom, watch for that volume to break, start pushing you guys up. I would personally watch for a break at 33.64 to confirm. If you guys get above that, that would definitely be a bullish territory for the stock. It hasn't been in that area above all those since March 23rd. Like I said, the only thing that this one lacks, my personal opinion, is volume. Whenever Joe's ready, maybe we can learn a little bit about this.
Yeah, we didn't have the board. I have to create the board, but I'm over here on OTC Markets as well. So the latest press release was on April 27, 2017, and it was Atacama Resources International launches Good to Drive mobile application aiming to make highways safer. So Atacama Resources International, developers of a suite of mobile applications, announced on April 27th that the company has released Good to Drive, a mobile application that allows drivers, corporate fleets, and law enforcement to test the driver's cognitive alertness before getting behind the wheel of a motor vehicle. Good to Drive uses a 60 to 90-second image matching test using a patented algorithm that was created based on the scientific study of cognitive abilities at various West Coast hospitals and universities. So we are excited about the release of Good to Drive at Google Play and the iTunes Store. We anticipate this mobile application being used not only by families and individuals to promote safer driving habits, but also by corporate fleets and law enforcement agencies to combat dangerous driving, stated Dan Finch, president of Good to Drive. While drinking and driving is still a major concern, and one that Good to Drive is designed to monitor, the impairment to drivers caused by drugs, both prescription and illicit, along with drowsy driving, is emerging as a major factor in traffic crashes in the United States, Canada, Europe, and Australia. Good to Drive's patented algorithm and tests have been proven to accurately identify cognitive impairment. Regardless of the source, whether it is drinking, drugs, or drowsiness, Good to Drive's test is suitable for testing young teenage drivers, adult drivers, senior citizens, and drivers of commercial vehicles. So, I mean, that's that. Their latest is that they have this thing up right here. So they have a free trial version of Good to Drive will be available shortly on both iOS and Android devices. Continue with the continued use will cost 99 cents a month for individuals, $1.99 a month for families up to 5 people, with pricing for corporate fleets and law enforcement organizations available on request. So that's that. I mean, they have all different things within this press release as well. So they're on the QB. Let me see what their share structure is like right now. All right, so that's not up to date. Well, as of April 17th, they're showing that their outstanding shares were 141,900,818 shares. And as of December 31st, 2016, they're showing that their float was 2 million shares. So that's that. So if you want to continue doing your research or your due diligence on Atacama Resources International with the ticker symbol ACRL, just go right over to the ACRL board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the recent news, the company profile, time and sales, all that good stuff right there. And if you have an opinion, feel free to share it on the ACRL board as well, with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. We're posting right over there on that board.
All right, there you go, right here. ACRL just needs more steady volume, in my personal opinion. 27.94, 31.04, and 33.64 are going to be your resistance levels. Support at 24 is going to be a must hold. Like I said, the only thing it just needs is volume. ACRL. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it very much. And join us live at investorshangout.com/live.